Using the BlaBlaCar app to find or offer rides is straightforward. Here's how to get started. Download and install. Download the BlaBlaCar app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install it and open the app. Set up your profile. Complete your profile with a photo and relevant details. This helps build trust with other users. Search for rides or offer a ride. To find a ride, enter your departure and destination cities along with your travel date. The app will show available rides from other users. To offer a ride, go to the Offer a Ride section. Enter your departure and arrival locations, travel date, and other details like the number of available seats and the price per seat. Book or confirm a ride. If you find a suitable ride, select it and send a request to the driver. Once the driver accepts, you can communicate through the app to finalize details. If you're offering a ride, wait for passengers to book. You can communicate with them through the app to arrange pickup details. Travel and review. Use the app to navigate to your pickup location. After the trip, both drivers and passengers can leave reviews to help build credibility within the BlaBlaCar community.